Hey guys, my name is Lindsay. I work here at Nature's Truth, and today we're doing our first ever DIY video. When we were brainstorming ideas, we thought there's no better way to start this series than to show you one of the most popular aromatherapy DIYs, massage oils. Measuring cup, a mixing bottle, your favorite Nature's Truth essential oil, and base oil. Since essential oils are so concentrated, you shouldn't apply them directly to your skin. You'll need to mix them with a base oil before applying. First step is to measure out 1/4 cup of your base oil. Now you're going to need to add your base oil to your mixing bottle. Our trick here is to use a plastic cup and add it to your bottle. Then you're going to add 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. We're doing lavender today. Then we're going to close the bottle and shake it up. And now you have your very own aromatherapy massage oil. Try experimenting with different Nature's Truth essential oils to personalize your massage scents. We hope you've enjoyed this DIY tutorial. Check back for more aromatherapy tips and DIYs. For more information, you can also visit our website, naturestrutharoma.com.